Stop struggling with content. No lights, no cameras. Don't show your face. In less than 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to generate videos, images using AI tools free of charge. And of course, we'll be using Gemini AI, ChatGPT, and Grok. These 3 tools are all easy and user-friendly. Even if you don't have an idea, with today's video, you have a full understanding on how it works. Just be patient, watch through the video, and make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any of it, okay? I used to think that this video takes so much time and is so difficult to do. Not knowing is as easy as ABC. If you are interested in learning how to make these AI talking videos, you can use it to do your vlog. Of course, it's monetizable. You can use it for your lifestyle videos. You can use it for cooking videos, just like this one.
Food is ready. Would you eat or pass? Please follow, like, and share.
If it's something you're interested in knowing how to, generate these videos and the images and the apps to use, which are all free of charge, please don't forget to tap the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and please don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Let's see if you actually learned something from this video, okay? Without wasting much of your time, let's go right into it. As a beginner, you may not be able to have all this app installed on your phone. Using your iPhone or your Android phone, the first thing to do is to go to your App Store or your Play Store and look for these apps, ChatGPT, and download this first. Then go and download your Gemini AI and also the Grok. These are the 3 tools we'll be using for this AI video generations. Of course, they are all important. None of them is to be skipped, okay? Once you are done downloading the necessary apps, the next thing is to register as usual. Just like every other app downloaded, you need to register and then begin to use. Now head over to ChatGPT, which is the first app to generate our image prompt. This image prompt, whatever you give to ChatGPT is what is going to give you the prompt on how to generate it. Here I said I want to create a cooking vlog using Gemini AI and Grok to generate the videos. Telling ChatGPT the AI tools you want to use to generate the other types of the videos and images helps you to be more precise and more realistic. Okay, once that is done, you click this arrow button to send, like to enter. Press enter. Once that is done, in next 2 seconds, ChatGPT is going to give you the image prompt. Just as you can see on this screen, it's not difficult. So read through and see what ChatGPT gave us. It said a realistic Nigerian kitchen and all that. You see, because ChatGPT knows I'm in Nigeria based on my IP and my location. You can as well tell ChatGPT to give you maybe Asian kitchen style and or European kitchen style, whichever one. Next is to copy this prompt. Head over to Grok, open Grok. If you are using your video, your picture precisely, like here, I'm using my own image, I'm using my own picture, of which I told ChatGPT that I'll be using my own picture to generate this. As such, it gave me prompt to enable me use my own picture. Go ahead and select, just as this place, select your own image, go ahead and paste the prompt. Please make sure to read it well to avoid mix-up. Just like that, image is being generated with the other informations around this, as you can see. Remember, I uploaded only my own image, and now the food and all that is appeared on the screen. So the next thing is to go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, come back to Grok and paste it. Here we are just generating images. When it's time to generate videos, I will let you know. Do the same for all of the scenes until it's all done, okay? If you notice, my hands are 3 here. What did I do? I went back to ChatGPT and said, since this number 2 prompt, I say correct number 2 prompt as my hands are appearing 3. ChatGPT quickly did that and I chose the last prompt, which is the corrected version, and then went back to Grok. Here is it. Grok brought up the correct image for me. Generating these images can be quite easy once you have enough and stable internet access, okay? We are done generating the images. Next is to go back to your gallery and confirm that the images are there. These are the 4 images ChatGPT generated for me. Now it's time to turn it to video. Go to Crux. When you get to Crux, now we are not going to just use the same interface we used. We are telling Crux what we want this video to do. Now I said, let this image say hi everyone. Let's make all of that together and give it some time. You see it loading. Once it's up to 100%, everything is all done.
Nigerian party smoky jollof rice real quick.
Another thing to note that when you see Crux giving you on text screen like that, come back to its prompt and say no caption on the screen, or no screen caption, or no screen text. It will now give you the image, the video without text, just as you can see.
Smoky jollof rice. Let's make simple but delicious Nigerian.
Go ahead and generate the same video for all of them. Now in this video, I will say it without screen text. Let this image blend and say this is me blending Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, and all of that.
This is me blending Scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, and some onions. This is me blending Scotch bonnet pepper. Fry this for 5 to 10 minutes before adding the rice.
So for the last scene, this is what we have. I will tell the Crux to tell me without a text on the screen, let this image say, food is ready. Would you eat or pass? Thank you for watching. Please follow, like, and share. Do you understand? So it's that simple. Once you are done with that, click the arrow sign and send. Give it few minutes, like 2-3 seconds. The video is being generated. It's that easy. It's quite simple. Just see what we have.
Or pass. Please follow, like, and share.
If you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share for your friends and more people to understand and learn how to generate this kind of AI videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, bye.